Today I'm going to show you how to set up the baby bedside. We keep on to set up our baby bedside. As you guys can see, I'm opening. So first thing what we're going to do here is to pull over this side, the right and left side, and there is a place here where you can pull over. Done, and you turn around, you come. As you guys can see my arms, there is a place you can pull over. After you pull over, just lay it down and press until it goes down. And after you're doing this, so the bed is set up. How the net is, and when you got the net like this, so you just can, so it's the same process you gotta keep up with outside. These parts that tells so the bed rings, so we're gonna fit on it. So, take the blanket. The blanket is also set up. So, the place is comfortable for the baby. Diaper changer. Here, the place is now comfortable to change the baby diaper. Right? Go to sleep. So, change the baby so that he can stay healthy. Later on, just take the bag where you can keep the diapers. So, down here you can put diapers, and here you can put the napkin, so you can use it while you are cleaning your baby. So, after doing this, the bedside is almost set up. So the baby can sleep and you can change your baby stuff pretty well.